Picture this. It's the year 2027. The world has gone electric, roads are quieter, cities are smarter, and out of the mist rolls something that turns every single head. It's not a car. It's not a bike. It's something straight out of a dream. A three-wheeled masterpiece that fuses retro style with futuristic tech. Meet the all-new Futuristic Retro Camper Tricycle RV. It's unlike anything you've ever seen on the road. Imagine cruising down the coast with the wind in your hair, the soft hum of the electric motor beneath you, and a panoramic glass dome above, turning every ride into a cinematic experience. This isn't just a vehicle, it's your home, your retreat, your adventure partner. And trust me, the deeper you go into what this machine offers, the more you're going to want one in your life. The first thing that grabs your attention is the design. Think 1960s camper vibes with chrome highlights, round headlamps, a bubble-shaped windshield, and pastel tones. But blended with 2027's most cutting-edge materials. It's got polished recycled aluminum panels, solar skins that soak up the sun all day, and adaptive color tech that shifts hues based on your environment or even your mood. Park it in the forest. It'll turn a soft, earthy green. Roll it into a desert. It shifts into a sandy bronze. It's like it's alive. Watching. Adapting. Now, here's where things get really exciting. Despite its retro looks, this camper trike is smarter than most homes. You step inside, yes, step, because the body lifts up slightly as you approach, reading your biometric signature. The butterfly doors whoosh open silently. Inside, it's compact but surprisingly spacious thanks to some serious space engineering. Modular walls slide, flip, and fold like origami. A dining table folds out of the wall. A bed descends from the ceiling. There's even a tiny but fully functional shower made from water-saving vapor tech. And here's the kicker, it's all powered sustainably. A mix of solid-state battery tech and rooftop solar keeps it moving and operating off-grid for up to 2 weeks. That's right. No gas. No noise. Just you, the open road, and a whisper-quiet journey into wherever your heart pulls you. The cockpit? Oh, it's glorious. A floating dashboard, minimalist but rich with features. You don't get a steering wheel. You get a joystick. It feels like piloting a spaceship. The HUD projects all your info directly on the windshield: speed, weather, terrain mapping, real-time road conditions. And yes, it's fully autonomous if you want it to be. Just say, "Take me to the mountains," and relax as your trike RV handles the rest. But it doesn't stop there. Let's talk about entertainment. This thing has a 360-degree rotating projector and an AI-curated sound system. You pull over, park under the stars, and suddenly your camper transforms into a mobile movie theater. You lie back, and the ceiling displays constellations in real time. Want to fall asleep to the sound of waves even though you're in the desert? Done. Its ambient system generates sound and scent based on your settings. One tap and you're at the beach, or a misty forest, or a cozy cabin during snowfall. But what truly sets this camper tricycle apart is the experience it offers solo travelers and nomads. It's designed for freedom. It's for the person who wants to wake up to a new horizon every day without giving up comfort. It has a tiny kitchenette, smart cooling drawers, a self-cleaning toilet, and a foldable drone that scouts your route ahead if you're going off-grid. Yes, you heard that right. It even has a drone buddy. And the tech just keeps giving. The smart assistant learns your preferences. It knows when you like to stop for coffee. It tracks your health through the biometric seat. Feeling tired? It recommends a stop with a view. And thanks to 5G plus satellite uplink, you're always connected, even in the wildest corners of the planet. You'd think something this advanced would be heavy or slow. Nope. With carbon composite construction and precision weight balancing, it's incredibly light and agile. 0 to 60. 5.3 seconds. Range? Over 700 miles with solar assist. And get this, those 3 wheels aren't just for show.